The Acadia Athletics Complex is your home for fitness, recreation and wellness as an Acadia student. The complex houses a 6,000 square foot fitness center that includes 40 cardio machines, 20 resistance machines, 3 squat racks and 1 deadlift platform. Also, within the footprint of the athletics complex is the Andrew H. McCain Arena, Raymond Field, the Acadia Swimming Pool and Stu Aberdeen Court. These venues are used for student recreation, club activities and varsity practices and events. Acadia Recreation offers a wide variety of fitness classes and training led by qualified personal trainers. On-campus recreational activities feature aquatics programming, club sports, and intramurals that include drop-in recreation, campus leagues, and one-night special recreation events. If watching great university sports and cheering on our Axemen and Axewomen is something of interest, Acadia has 10 varsity teams including football, basketball, hockey, soccer, volleyball, rugby, cross-country and swimming. Acadia's sports teams have the highest average attendance for most, if not all, sports in the Atlantic University Sports Conference and host over 50 home games that are free for Acadia students with valid ID. The Acadia Athletics Complex offers a wide variety of choices to keep fit and well during the academic year. Find out more by visiting recreation.acadiau.ca or intramurals.acadiau.ca.